everyone, I'm Miss Hilary, and I'm happy to be here with you today. So today we are going to talk about sounds. We are going to talk about sounds that we hear at the beginning of words. The sounds that we hear at the beginning of a word. So if I said hello, the word hello has a sound right at the beginning of it. Hello. So let's start with a sound that I think is pretty special. Can you guess what sound it is? Yeah, it's the S sound. The S sound, which usually is the sound that the letter S makes, and sometimes the letter C, but usually the letter S. Now, to talk about this sound, I'm gonna take you on a trip to the land of S. So to get to the land of S, we have to spin. Can you spin with me? And we will go to the land of S together. Here we go. Spin, spin around, spin. The land of S is very sunny. Look at that. It's so yellow and sunny. What else do we see in the land of S? Oh, I see something over here. That's very sunny, isn't it? It's a sun. Does sun have a S at the beginning of it? You're right, it does. Sun. Do you hear that sound? Oh, that sound means it's time for an adventure in our land. But first, I need my adventure hat. Do you have a hat that you like to wear when you go on adventures? If you do, go find it and put it on. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready? So, we are going to try saying a poem together. So I'm going to say a part, and then I want you to repeat it. Repeat means you're going to say it after I say it. So I'm going to start. Here I go. Going on a picnic. Now you say it. Going on a picnic. Leaving right away. Leaving right away. Going on a picnic. Now you say, going on a picnic. Leaving today. Now you say, leaving today. Great job. So now after we say our poem, we are going to try something else. And I'm going to pull something out of this sack. And if it has a S sound at the beginning, I want you to say yes. But if it does not have a S at the beginning, I want you to say no and stomp your feet. Can you do it? Okay, let's practice. So I pulled out a, what is it? A spoon. Does spoon have a S sound at the beginning? Yes, it does. So if it has a S at the beginning, we go, yes! And put our arms way up in the air. Going on a picnic. Leaving right away. Going on a picnic. Leaving today. Should we bring a... It's a sock. Does sock start with S? Yes! We will bring it on our picnic. Okay, last one. Here we go. Ready? Going on a picnic. Leaving right away. Going on a picnic. Leaving today. Should we bring a... Woo! What is it? It's a pen. Does pen start with S? our picnic. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Dance break. Start dancing now. I hope you had fun dancing. See you later.
Okay, now it's time for our tongues to get twisted with a tongue twister. Do you know what a tongue twister is? A tongue twister is a sentence or a poem that has words that all start with the same sound. So since we are in the land of s, our tongue twister, all of our words are going to start with the s sound. Now, they can be hard to say, so we're going to start slowly and see if we can get faster and faster when we say it. So I'm going to teach it to you. It goes like this. 6 slimy snails. Now you say it. Slid slowly. Slid slowly. 6 slimy snails slid slowly. Let's say it together. 6 slimy snails slid slowly. Whoa! All those words have s at the beginning of them. Let's try it a little bit faster. 6 slimy snails slid slowly. Can we go a little bit faster? 6 slimy snails slid slowly. Should we try and go faster? I don't know if we can. Can we? Let's try it. 6 slimy snails slid slowly. 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 Whoa! That was so fast. Hey, that sound means it's time for another adventure. But this time, we are going to travel to a new land. The land of the sound L. L. Now to get there, we have to laugh, because laugh starts with a L sound. So everybody laugh out loud. Keep laughing, everybody. Whoa. We are in the land of L. Oh, hey. And I have on a new shirt. My shirt has lines on it. Oh, and the land of L is a very light blue color. How cool is that? Is there anything else in the land of L that's different? What's that? Oh, a lion. Hey, does lion start with L? It does. I thought of something else that starts with an L sound. Lamb. Hey, do any of you have pet lambs at home? No? I don't have a pet lamb either. Oh, but I bet we could draw a lamb. Okay, let's draw one. Lamb. Now I thought about a lamb because I know a song about a lamb. Do you know a song about a lamb too? I thought we could sing it together. It's called Mary Had a Little Lamb. Here we go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Hey, does anyone know what letter makes the L sound? It's the letter L. Wow, this time we're gonna sing the song again. And every time you hear a word that starts with the L sound, I want you to make the L shape with your fingers. Okay? I think think this time we're gonna mix it up a little bit. So feel free to dance along while we sing. Okay. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Did you make the L? Awesome! Okay, now my friend Leonard wanted to play with us too in the land of Ul. So, Leonard is going to say some words, and if the word he says starts with a Ul sound, I want you to roar like a lion. So let's practice our lion roars. Great. But if Leonard says a word that starts with a S sound instead, oh, remember that sound? Then I want you to S like a snake, and you can even move on the floor S like a snake, okay? So let's go play with some sounds with Leonard.
Hi, everybody. I'm Leonard. Listen to my words. Soup.
Soup. Does soup start with S or L? Yep, it starts with S. So let's hear your snake sounds.
Library.
Library. Does library start with S or L? That's right, it starts with L. So let me hear your lion roar.
Lunch.
Lunch. Does lunch start with L or S? It's a L.
Sandwich.
Sandwich. Does sandwich start with L or S? It's a S.
Good job, everybody. Bye.
All right. So now we're going to travel back home. So how are we going to get home? We are going to think really hard about home. Hey, home has a H sound at the beginning of it, right? Let's all make a really nice H sound, and maybe if we all do it together, it will send us all the way home. Here we go. Again. Again. We're back. So we must have made some really good sounds. Good job. Well, I've had so much fun talking about sounds with you today. Now, I have a task for you. I want you to look around your house or your backyard if you have your family out there with you, and I want you to find 3 things that start with the S sound and 3 things that start with the OO sound, and tell your family and tell your teacher what they are. Good work, everybody.